DFs, your self respect should be more important than your feeling. You can't be rejected by people you are talking to. You can only reject yourself. You are valuable. Remember this. Other people are not rejecting you. You are the one who is rejecting yourself. Because you see, everyone on the outside is your mirror. Your twin is your perfect mirror, but all others are also your mirror. So it's only when you're rejecting yourself within, when you're not meeting your needs, when you're disregarding your wishes, your desires, when you are not doing enough self love and self care, when you're not valuing yourself, that people on the outside will be rejecting you, not valuing you, disrespecting you, not appreciating any of your actions, when you are not actually appreciating yourself. So you see, when you are willing to lose everything, everyone, but not lose yourself, it is only then that people on the outside will be like willing to have you. They would be making all efforts not to lose you, because everybody on the outside is your mirror. So you have to value yourself. You have to love yourself unconditionally for others to love you unconditionally. You have to be sure that you never settle for less. You have a unique identity. You are rare. You need to value yourself. You need to hold yourself. Stand for yourself. Speak up whenever needed. Affirm, give yourself affirmations like, I don't care about rejections. I recognize and I dismantle all of my triggers. I respect boundaries of others and I set my own boundaries and I make sure that those boundaries are adhered to. I am more in control of my emotions. I do more self love. I do more self care. DFs, you are supposed to have boundaries, not only with your DM but also with other people in your life. Respect their boundaries and let them respect your boundaries. If they are not doing it, you are supposed to maintain distance. Hold love for them within your heart. Do not have any kind of anger, any kind of hatred, resentment, or grudge against them. Love them from a distance. Loving people from a distance, those who are actually not respecting you, is having respect for your own self, is valuing your own self. So you should be your first priority. You should be loving yourself first. The others are going to come second. This is how the divine laws work. Because there, in reality, there is nobody on the outside. You're the only one existing. Since everybody is reflecting you, it means you are talking to your own self, isn't it? And when everyone is reflecting you, are you not supposed to pay more focus? In fact, pay the most of your attention, pay more of your most of your attention onto yourself. Are you not supposed to be the most important person when everybody else is reflecting you? You know actually what is enlightenment? When you get to know that everybody is you, that is when you become enlightened. That, because that is the only truth. Think big, manifest big. You're not here to play small. You're here for a higher purpose. Also, everybody, whether they are twin flames or not, everybody has to be their best version, and their best version demands being high in self-respect, self-love, self-care. Self-love is the only way you can attract abundance in your life. You can, that's the only way how you can be in your sovereignty, your entire complete freedom. No matter how much you love any person, no matter how much of unconditional love you hold for them, you should not be willing to give up your self respect at any cost. This is what you should keep in your mind at all times. This should be your benchmark. You shouldn't be willing to go below your boundaries to have any person in your life. You shouldn't be willing to give up your self respect to have anything and any person in your life. When you respect yourself, others respect you, including your DM. When you value yourself, others value you, including your DM. Only when you love yourself is when your DM loves you. Only when you choose yourself is when your DM chooses you. And please like and share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.